Oh my god, my friend has it. Hello? Nothing, right? What?
You like some skin value.
Yeah, but I need the money. I'll see what I can do.